Hey everyone, I'm going to show you just some example sentences of how to use the word including and the word such as. We use these words when we want to show some examples for things that we have mentioned. So we will give a list or a few examples. And by using the words including or such as, we help ourselves eliminate the need to say, for example, all the time in our writing. Okay, so let me show you an example here. All right, including and such as. Okay, I like endurance sports, period. Endurance sports. That is a group that has lots of parts to it. So I can use the word including or such as to name some of the parts. And that's how we use those words. So I like endurance sports, comma, including running and swimming. I could also say it with such as, I like endurance sports, such as running and swimming. Now, I'm using a comma before each of those words because after them, I'm using a list. I have at least 2 items. Sometimes we only want to give one example. And when you give one example, it's okay not to use a comma. So we can say, I like endurance sports, including running. I like endurance sports such as running. And in this case, since you're only using one, it's okay. Now, there's another time where the word including actually means with. So be careful with that. I bought some running shoes. They cost, I don't know, $60 including tax. Including tax, that means with the tax, they cost $60. So just be careful and notice the difference when you're using it and when other people have used them and you're trying to understand what they say. Good luck with trying to use these in your next academic paper. Bye-bye.